Great. Well, we're in April and we're celebrating some not only spring recipes, but also soy food month recipes as well. So who better to have joining us than Charlene Patton, as well as a local soybean farmer, Roger from near Galena, Kansas.
Thank you.
Yes, we're glad to have Roger with us, who you farm real close here, don't you?
Yes, I do, just down the road.
Yes, down the road. Well, Roger, we're going to be making, and Samantha, a light lemon cheesecake. And we're using tofu and we're using soy cream cheese as the recipes in here. And Roger, do you want to tell us about the...
Yes, cooking with soy is a real heart-healthy choice, and the cream cheese here that we're using is actually healthy for you if you're lactose intolerant because it's made out of soybeans.
That's right, that's right. What I did here is we boiled some water, this is 2/3 cup, and mixed into this while it was hot 1 small package of sugar-free gelatin, and this is lemon gelatin. Now, it has cooled off since we came into the studio, but if it is hot, that's going to help mix these ingredients. So we have two 8-ounce packages of soy cream cheese, and you have the container there so you can see. I'm going to mix this first one up and see if we... There we go. Great. So we have 2 of these packages, and if you can't find that in the grocery store, look online. I can get it at my grocery stores in Topeka real easily, but look online, and this is a great way to add that soy protein. Now we'll mix that one, and I just find that doing it separate like that helps your blender mix it. Now we're going to add the tofu, and this is firm tofu, and that's going to help with setting it up. And then I'm going to add some, how much is that, Roger? You have the recipe there, of the lemon juice, and that is fresh lemon juice.
3 ounce.
There we go. I'll just push that down a little bit. But if you're at home, you would just do this in stages. It just takes a little bit to mix it. Can you get it yet there? Well, maybe put it down a little bit more there so it goes. There you go. Now you could see all that nice whipping up there. Makes it easy. It's such a really an easy recipe to make because you're making it in the blender. And now what we're going to do is that I have 1 cup of whipping cream here. And as Roger said, so far this recipe has no lactose in it, but so you'd want to use an alternative if you did that. Now we're going to pour that mixture that we did. Look how creamy that is. Put that in there. Thank you, Roger. And we have now our grated fresh lemon zest there that's going to add even more flavor. And I would just stir this. A whisk seems to work the very best, Samantha, because you don't want to completely deflate all that whipping cream in there. And then we're going to pour this, and I made a graham cracker crust, and that's just graham crackers, a little bit of granulated sugar, and margarine. And margarine is another soybean product. Pour that into your graham cracker crust, and then we decorated it with fresh fruit, some more whipping cream. You could put some lemon slices on there too. But what a delicious and low calorie and high in soy protein, so you're getting a very nutritious dessert.
Just perfect for spring. It's
Perfect for
so
spring.
beautiful, Charlene. And I know if people want to find this recipe and a lot more of the other ones you guys do, they can call that number or go to your guys' website and find that available as
That's
well.
right. They should go to 877-KS Soybean, call, and we'll mail them all the recipes for March, or go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, and all the recipes are on the website.
Great. Well, thank you so much, Charlene and Roger, for joining us this morning. We'll be right back after this.